Throughout this week, I've been commenting on the gospel readings, all of which are from the Gospel of Mark, that have something to do with Jesus' ministry and mission called the Reign of God. Today's gospel story is about the paralytic who is dropped through the roof of the building in which Jesus is preaching because there's no other way for them to get him in. Please know that this paralytic is considered by the Jews of his day to be impure, which means that he is not even considered a true Israelite. He's an outcast. He's on the margins of society. He's on the fringes of society because of his impurity. And so what does Jesus do? Jesus first forgives the man his sins. He makes him pure in terms of spirit. And then he heals him of his paralysis, which makes him pure of body. And amazingly, this causes scandal among those who are watching all of this. Why? Because Jesus is treating this outcast, this marginalized person, as someone important. And that's the point of the story. And that's the point that has to do with the reign of God. That in the reign of God, Jesus preached that everyone is an equal. There are no outcasts. There are no people who live on the fringes. In fact, those who are normally considered to be outcasts are considered first in the reign of God by Jesus. We are called upon to build up the reign of God in this place and in this time. And one of the ways we can do it is by imitating the egalitarianism of Jesus, by considering every person, literally every person whom we meet, as a brother or a sister. And why should we do that? Well, first of all, because Jesus gave us the example that that's what we're to do. Second, because we believe and we know that every person is a brother or a sister because he or she is created in the very image of God. Thank you for watching. Have a great day today.